Hello, and joining me today is Sonia Roper. Sonia Roper is a domestic cleaning business owner who has decided during the pandemic to set up a commercial cleaning business. So we're going to take this opportunity to find out why Sonia's made this decision and how her journey is going so far. So Sonia, welcome.
Hello. Lovely to see you, Catherine. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello. Lovely to see you too, Sonia. So, Sonia, obviously you've got a successful domestic cleaning business. What prompted you to decide to set up a commercial cleaning business?
I think I'd had a few inquiries from my domestic side as well. So from the clients that I had there, they asked about commercial premises. And I had taken on a couple of commercial premises, but only a couple. But I see the value in that because there are plenty of people in offices and workplaces that need a good cleaning service. And from my point of view as well, it was easier for me because you get more hours together in one client, which brings more income into me, basically. So that was the attraction to it as well.
Okay, so what you were looking to provide a more holistic service, so it was like complementary, so it's like, yeah, I can come and do a great job cleaning your house and also your workplace as well.
Yeah, it's just tagging on extra services to the service that you already provide. And if you're being recognised by your clients as providing a good service, then you want to carry on providing other services to help them, basically, so they keep using you.
Yeah, great then. And just, it's great when you find someone that you can trust as well. It's really great that you've got that one-stop shop, because I think, so many people are really limited on time. So when you find something that works for you, if that service gets extended, it just makes life a whole lot easier.
Yeah, most definitely. Everything nowadays is geared up to finding the most easiest, quickest route to get to something. So if they can find it all in me that they need with the cleaning, then that's a bonus for me, a win-win.
Definitely. Listen, I'm a big fan of the path of least resistance. That's my.
Yeah.
I'm going to get that on a T-shirt.
Yeah.
So, obviously, you've already got a domestic cleaning business, so you've got that set up. So what made you decide to come and work with Anne and I using Commercial Cleaning Business Box to help you set up that commercial cleaning enterprise?
I already knew Anne anyway, and I got on well with Anne, which really helped. And you tend to relate to people as well. So I could see that she'd set up a successful commercial cleaning business as well. And I knew the support that I'd get and the resources I'd get would be of good quality and useful to me. And for me to, it's also communicating it in a way that suits me too. Okay. Yeah. So I've got to be able to relate to it as well. And I do like Anne a lot. So that's what made me do it, basically.
And how important is it to you to be working with somebody who still is in the cleaning industry, so still operates those enterprises, so has that grassroots experience, so it's not historic but it's actually current? How important is that to you as somebody who's just starting out with commercial cleaning, to have that person on your side?
It is 100% important, yes, because you want someone that can relate to you, can understand what problems you come across, can give you guidance on how to approach things as well, and for them to have that backup knowledge on the cleaning industry as well with the commercial side is invaluable to me, basically, because they know where you're coming from, and they can give you that support and that advice that you want to help you move your business forward.
And looking at setting up a commercial cleaning enterprise, obviously it's multifaceted. There's lots of things that you have to do. There's lots of different skill sets that you need to draw on. How beneficial has it been to you that we also provide business services specifically for cleaning businesses? So that we were able to get your logo done, get your website set up, your digital brochures, and what difference has that made to you in terms of being able to set up more quickly?
Massively. It's huge, because if you see how stressed I get trying to work social media or trying to work anything electric, it's like the brochures, everything. If I had to try and create that in Canva or wherever, I would be there days, and it would be a complete nightmare to my family because I would get so stressed about it. So to have someone do the whole website, to do all the brochures that I need to hand out to the cleaners and to the clients, to inform them of the service that we provide, which is so important, it's been completely invaluable to me. Yes, to have all of those resources there for me to pull on to help me get my business up and running, because startup of a business is really, really difficult, and to have that help and support to set you up and then continue to guide you through it has been a godsend to me, basically. Yeah, I wouldn't have done it without it, basically.
And in terms of the coaching and support, how would you describe to anybody who was potentially looking to come and work with Anne and I? How would you describe the support that you've been given by Anne and I whilst setting up the commercial cleaning enterprise?
It's been great because it's just having a sounding board, really. It's someone you can bounce ideas around with, that knows where you're coming from, understands the problems that you're facing or the things you're trying to work out. It's the support there that gives you a push as well to say what you need to be doing to keep your business going, which has been great through lockdown, because that's been a hard time for us all.
Yeah.
And it's just nice to have that support there, so you've got someone else to talk to. Otherwise, because you're working on your own sometimes, so it's nice just to have someone else there to talk to and have that support when you need it. Yeah.
And were you surprised about how much support you got from the commercial cleaning business box?
Yeah, I was. Yeah. Because it is routinely, it's set up on a regular basis. It's not missed. You get the time that you need to discuss and move your business forward. And it teaches you how to manage your time. It can teach you about thinking about your social media posts, what to put on your posts, how regularly to do them. It teaches you how to communicate with your clients and your cleaners. It's everything, basically. It's the whole thing that you can you get help with, basically. So yes, it's been great, and I was surprised that it was going to be so regularly and continuing like it is, but it's been great.
Fantastic. And I mean, obviously taking that choice to set up a commercial cleaning business during lockdown, and at the time of this recording, we are just emerging. So we're just emerging out of the worst of it. The vaccines are rolling out. Yeah. Spring has sprung. The sun is shining. Appropriately enough, your cleaning business is called Sunshine Commercial, and yes. I love that name. I love it. I'm even wearing my yellow jumper today. Because everything is looking a lot brighter. Mm-hmm. So what does the next 12 months look like for Sunshine Commercial Cleaning, Sonia?
Gosh, that's a big question, isn't it?
It
is. I'm hoping to be established in the area that I picked, Winchester. It's where I live, which is new to me. My domestic side is further away. So I'm hoping to be established in Winchester and get a good following of businesses that I do the cleaning for. I'm networking loads, which I hadn't done before, and I'm talking to a lot more businesses that are based in Winchester as well, which is great. So they're getting to know me. So I'm hoping to grow those relationships more, so that I can then be the first point of call and the person they know to think of about the cleaning as well. So that's really important to me. So it's to grow my network of people, become established in that network as well and trusted, and just keep going, basically. Yeah. That's pretty much it, I think. Yeah.
Fantastic. That's great. Listen, Sonia, I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to come and speak to us and sharing your journey so far. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you.